We're talking about the G major scale today, and remember that the formula for a major scale is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Okay, so 2 wholes and then a half, 3 wholes and then a half. And you want to memorize that. You should be able to say that without thinking about it. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do in terms of knowing some theory about scales. Remember what the formula for the major scale is. Okay, so we're starting this on G. We're going to do this down here on the E string right here. If you don't know the names of your strings, then you need to memorize that too. Okay, so remember that when we're doing this, we're starting on the G note and we haven't gone anywhere. Right, so we're standing on G and we have to take our first whole step. So we take our first whole step, that's 2 frets on the guitar, and that gets us to A. Then we take another whole step, that gets us to B. Half step gets us to C. Now we got 3 whole steps. Okay, so we got a whole step to D, a whole step to E, a whole step to F sharp, and then a half step up to G. And you'll notice that we have an F sharp in the scale right here. And this one is pretty easy to figure out because if we were going a half step, we'd go up to F. If we go up to a whole step, the logical thing would be to go to an F sharp. But one thing, and I'll explain this in the next video as well, is that you don't want to duplicate the notes in a scale, the note names in a scale. So the letter names actually is what I really mean to say. So you would not use a G flat right here, you would use an F sharp because G has already been used right here. So when we get up here and we have to decide, am I going to use an F sharp or am I going to use a G flat? It's an F sharp because we've already used a G, the letter G here, so we'll use the F, and it needs to be an F sharp right there.